already said no. Stop asking.
Mommy, how come?
Because I'm tired, baby.
That's pretty freaking cool.
We should do that at our house.
Sure. Wow.
Oh, we got a lot of work though.
You see that? Like how it's turned on like that? That's so crazy.
I have a phone in there. What's that say? I have phone. That means Mom. I'm cold.
I feel like we're the only ones out here now.
Yeah, because everyone else is checking out everything. You just want to look at lights and go.
Do you want to go?
It don't matter now. I'm not turning around. There's still a lot of lights to look at, too.
You can't turn around.
Oh, that's pretty cool. American flag lights.
Where's that?
God bless the USA. Cool.
Buddy, you can't turn around.
Hey, I feel a little relief because there's less cars now. And it's easier to drive through.
Oh, there's a helicopter.
Where?
An army helicopter.
Right there.
Look at this right here.
God bless the USA. That's what it means.
Oh, here's some stuff over here too. Cartoons.
Movie!
Cartoons.
The movie!
That's pretty cool. Got a projector.
But no one wants to watch
Tank.
There's a tank.
Where?
Right there.
There's a Humvee.
Happy holidays.
Fort Hood.
Fort Hood. Let me see.
Finally. You're asking about it.
Oh, stop. I want to take a little video. That's so cool. Peace on earth.
Oh yeah, look at
That's
that.
it right there, babe. You want to get them lights? There you go.
I'm good. Probably like $50 for that for a light.
I doubt it, babe. I told you they had the petting zoo was right there. They got food.
Hey, I want a light!
No. I said no.
Hey, I want to go there. Mommy doesn't want to stop.
Mommy said we ain't stopping. I'm not stopping.
I said, there you go, babe. There's lights right there.
I know.
You just want to blame it on me.
You said you didn't want to stop in the beginning. I'm not stopping.
But Mommy, how come you don't want us to stop?
Because Mommy's pregnant, and when she says it is what goes.
Nuh-uh.
Yep.
Not pregnant. You don't care if we stop?
No, I'm just tired. I just want to go home.
You can sleep in the car.
Okay.
Sleep in the car.
Meanie.
If we stop.
Well, this is pretty cool. Bunch of Christmas trees all lit up through here. Wow. Pretty neat. A little bumpy.
Daddy, you touch them? You want to touch them, right?
Do I want to touch them?
Yeah.
No, we can't touch them.
Why? We're not allowed to stop because there's people behind us.
Yep.
Well, you have Christmas trees. The 10 are Christmas trees. And how? The Christmas trees make
I bet nobody else. I bet no one comes here every year because this is crazy.
Why?
It's probably the same thing every year.
Why you can't come here?
It takes a lot of time to put all this up, though. I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
It ain't an easy task. There's no way.
No way to get out of here.
We gotta go through the woods.
No. You don't need to. You don't want to. Why?
I don't know.
Don't want to. You're a zombie in here?
No, not here. Across the lake. There. Yeah.
But what's in here? In there?
Just wild animals that would eat you alive.
Huh?
What?
They'll eat you when you're alive?
Yeah.
Whoa, do you see that, babe? That's so crazy looking.
Oh, yeah. Wow. Yeah, that's trippy. Are we going through that?
Yeah.
Or is that not? I don't think. Yeah.
I think we are going through it.
Wow, that's trippy. about to have a seizure in here.
Yeah, we're going through it. That's freaking awesome. I'm excited.
This elf is throwing presents in Santa's sleigh. Pretty fast, too. Tap, tap, revolution.
Dad, you're gonna go to that.
What is Santa Claus doing with that tree?
He's throwing presents at it.
No, look what he's doing. Watch. Watch. Look.
Oh, he lit it up and then put it
Threw
on.
it over there. He like teleported it.
Me do it.
Please, no stopping.
Yeah, I wouldn't stop either. This stuff is crazy.
Wow, this is wicked.
It's better in person for sure.
I wish I could walk through this.
Can't.
This is the most craziest thing ever.
Now this is how they can live in here and eat in here.
This is awesome. I'm so happy right now.
How did you get to
Wow, look at this.
This is so cool.
Revolution!
I feel like I'm in a like a tunnel.
Right here,
I'm
dude.
gonna go cry.
Look at that.
I feel like I'm in a tunnel right now. Like
I'm gonna cry.
a Back to Future tunnel.
This is awesome.
Yeah. I can never see. What are those people? Huh?
I got it, dude.
Where? I'm not big bum.
It was a speed bump. Carl was right.
I'm big bum.
My phone's about to die.
I'm about to
Oh,
kill
no,
us.
it ain't. Oh, no, never mind.
That doesn't work.
I know to that.
Oh, yeah, I have the other one. Two in here.
And another one. We're going to that.